In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watchers in Jira, step by step. If you want to keep the right people informed on a bug, task, or user story without relying on comments and manual follow-ups, adding watchers is one of the simplest and most effective tools in Jira. It allows specific team members to stay updated on issue activity, which is especially helpful for developers, product owners, and stakeholders who need visibility but may not be directly assigned to the work. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Jira site. If needed, sign in through the official Atlassian login page using your secure company access method. Once you're on your Jira home dashboard, look at the navigation bar at the top of the screen, click Projects, and then open the project where the issue is located. After you're inside the correct project, you'll usually see your board view, such as a Scrum board or Kanban board, with all of your team's issues organized into columns. From here, find the specific issue where you want to add a watcher. You can scroll through the board manually or use the search bar to find it faster. When you locate the issue, click on its ticket key or title to open the issue details. Depending on your Jira layout, this may open in a side panel or in a full issue view. Now that the issue is open, move your attention to the Details panel, usually on the right-hand side. This area contains important fields like status, assignee, reporter, and priority. Scroll through these fields until you find the Watcher section. This is where Jira shows how many people are currently watching the issue. Next, click on the Watcher count or the Watchers field itself. This opens the Watcher management window where you can update who is following the issue. Inside that pop-up, click into the search box labeled Add Watchers. Then type the name or company email of the person you want to add. Jira will automatically search your organization's directory and show matching users. When you see the correct person, click their name once to add them to the watcher list. Finally, take a moment to confirm that the person now appears in the list of watchers. Jira typically saves this change automatically, so there's usually no extra save button required. Once they've been added, they'll begin receiving updates for that issue based on your Jira notification settings, and that's it. You've successfully added a watcher in Jira, helping your team stay aligned without extra manual communication. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.